guys. Lately, your girl has been struggling. I've been kind of just like off balance. Like I just feel like things feel very disconnected lately. Sometimes I feel like I'm getting pulled in like multiple different directions, and I'm constantly like in a state of like trying to keep myself grounded, try to do like good things for myself. So today we woke up, weren't feeling our best, and I kind of need like a reset. So I wanted to be a little like productive today because I feel like that's just what I need. And I'm honestly one of those girls, like whenever I'm in a funk, I have to like clean and organize something or like declutter. So that's what we're going to do today. Like I kind of just want to like move my couch an inch just to feel something, but I don't know, I'm just kind of weird like that. But if you're here for that, then I invite you into just my weird day. Yeah, I feel, I don't know, is it weird that I'm excited? I get excited about things like this. I need something. I'm a mess. I'm gonna start off by making a smoothie because I have not eaten, and that just, to me, honestly just sounded really good for little breakfast treats. And we'll get started on all the fun things that we've got planned today. So, okay. Okay, got my smoothie. So we're gonna get started with the fridge. All right, so I basically took everything out from the fridge and just gave it a good wipe down. Looks so much better. So now I'm just gonna transfer everything back into the fridge and just organize it a little better. And just kind of see if there's anything that I might be able to throw away. Okay, we just finished up the fridge. It looks so much better. But yes, we are about to tackle this little living room situation. Really quickly, I just didn't want to forget about it. Just a few random things here and there. So let's get to that really quick. This plant is getting out of hand. I need to repot it soon. I've had it since I propagated from like the mother plant, and she's just growing away. I need to water her soon, but yeah, she definitely needs a new pot because this one is getting a little too small. And I repotted it maybe like over a year ago, so I think she's due. She's due for a repotting. Love her there, loves the sunlight. Just took off some of the ones that were kind of already browning, and then I just gave it a little extra water. I've been growing so much, but I honestly have to plant at least this one soon. I've been meaning to pot this one at least because I've had it for quite a while, and I feel like she would thrive better in a pot. Okay guys, so now, oh my gosh, please don't pay attention to my hair right now. It is a mess. So we're in my daughter's room. I saved the best for last. It really needs a good clean so she can have like just a nice room to lay in tonight. Let's get started. Okay, so we're officially done with Skylar's room. It didn't take me as long as I thought it was going to. I have some bananas that look like really bad. They've been sitting there for a while, but I think they are just like perfect for some banana breads. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna kind of give ourselves a little reward. That's what I'm craving right now. I'm just like staring at them. I'm just like, I have to do something with these because I don't want to throw them. So yeah, I think we're just gonna go ahead and end it for today with just like a little recipe. So yeah, let's make some banana bread together.